everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you air fried steelhead trout recipe. This is almost similar like salmon. It has an orange pinkish color, but the only difference is this is little thicker in size. So let's see how to make this. Here I've taken one trout. Now let's prepare the spices here. I'm taking 1 teaspoon of each spice here, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, red chili powder, turmeric, and this is the fish masala that will take this recipe to the next level. This is optional. If you want to try, I will mention it in the product here, which product I'm using. It's from brand Nirapara. This is not a sponsored video. The brand doesn't know I'm showing it here, but yes, this will add extra flavor to your fish recipe. So I'm placing each salmon fillets here. These are washed and dried. Now add little salt also to the marinade. Now brush each fillets with this spice mixture. That's it. Now it's ready to be air fried. I've shared many more salmon recipes and other fish recipes in my channel, so please feel free to browse. I will share each link below in the description so you can later refer to it. So here you can see I've done this at 385 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. It's perfectly done. Now look how gorgeous they look. Perfect, flaky, tasty. It is full of flavors. You need not need any extra sauce or dip for this. Just enjoy this with white rice or brown rice. This goes well with roasted broccoli. You can add parmesan to the broccoli, or there are many other veggies like roasted potatoes or broccoli, carrots. All goes well with this, and enjoy this with your white rice or brown rice. I hope you enjoy this easy trout recipe that you can make in air fryer. And the best thing is the air fryer looks so clean. It's mess-free cooking. There is no oil spill like we normally do on the stove top. All the mess, there is no mess in this recipe. It's a clean recipe and very easy to make. Hope to see you again. Till then, bye-bye and take care.